Oh shit. Yeah, they fucking poking. Yeah, we out here. Oh, and fish in the water.
It's kind of feeding pen.
So whenever you bust this down, you throw them to scrap.
They're used to it. They're used to it.
See what part? I ain't never even seen that on a lobster. It's like some tusks. Fresh lobster. Morning catch, baby. What's the like? Y'all pretty much eat that motherfucker from the rooter to the tutor, you know what I'm saying?
Indeed. It depends on the person.
Yeah.
It depends, but we like it big and spicy, I guess you would say. They're Tusky, they're tough. This is dirt.
Yeah. All of that. It's like science project. So that's what we're gonna feed the fish with.
That's where the fish comes in.
Took a little break. Now it's back to the money. Now it's back to the money. Took a little break. Now it's back to the money. Now it's back to the money. Took a little break. Now it's back to the money. Now it's back to the money. I took a little break.
From there to the grill, baby. There to the grill.
Now it's back to the money. I took a little break. Get straight to the paper, never clumsy. Vacation out the country, might find hundreds in my laundry. Halle Berry, strictly business. Don't be around me acting funny. Still a menace with this music. They want buddy, but they got Jackie money. Counter mechanism, spinning like a fidget. Make her open up like I just double click the widget. Everything expensive, ain't no scrubs, we don't want pigeons. Steady spending, bought an AP and 2 chains, but don't feel different. Took a little break. Now it's back to the money.
Do some lobster with rice and beans, the garlic butter sauce on it. Here on Caye Caulker. And then back to the split before it's time to split. So now we got our lobster with our rice and beans. Gotta have that plantain for the sweet. Garlic butter sauce on that thing. More island time, baby. Fresh catch. Y'all saw the cleanup. The split. All the guts and such. A lot of meat. Oh, good. Nah, this lobster tough. Nigga need a I need a real fork though. Put that way. Off the grill. So hot. Fresh. What I feel like this. So this was not cheap. 35 Belizean, which is $17.50. You know, US. But unless you hit Buck Wilds for second lobster on Tuesdays, on Thursdays, typically not getting fresh lobster that cheap, especially not the whole joint. this joint fresh too. One thing I love about a fresh seafood. I'm gonna have lobster omelet for breakfast. I've been on my lobster shit tough since I've been out here. That's that. Ooh. Ooh. That garlic butter. That joint off. So they got all the little stickers, the eyeballs. Let some of that garlic butter juice drip in there. And clean them out though. Oh, that's gonna stuff out right there. Run through that and then see if it ain't nothing else I could pillage off of there. I mean, when they say these is sea roaches, I'm gonna sit there and act like it don't got some roach-esque features. Oh, look what we got going on. I wasn't talking about nothing, no way. But that's the lobster, man. It's a fresh, out of the water lobster. Morning kill. Cut in front of me. Cleaned in front of me. I watched the fish eat the scrap. Now I'm looking for scrap. Back to the travels.